My name is Bobby Payton. I am the collision repair instructor up here. I actually am a product of this school. I went to school here, graduated, and worked out in the field for several years.
My name is Elijah Terry. I'm taking this auto body class. I've been taking it for 2 years. Anything that comes in damaged, we can basically repair it. We can do body work to it, repaint it.
My name is Alexis Ross, and I'm a second year in collision repair. My favorite part about this class is that it's a lot of hands-on work. We do painting, fiberglass work, do powder coating, sanding, and just working on all types of different cars. I just feel like it's a really good class to be in.
We take your vehicles after they've been damaged. They're learning to repair the vehicles back to factory specs. So we do take jobs in from the outside and work on them. With that, we've got a 6x6x10 oven. We can powder coat pretty big stuff in it. We do the skills challenge here in class. I actually took one of my students last year to nationals, and he came in 4th place in the nation.
This is by far my favorite program I've done at this school. I will have a certificate for completing the 2-year course, and most jobs will take that, and they will definitely be interested in hiring you straight out of high school.